In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Microsoft Access. Before we begin, here's the key idea. There isn't a separate login screen inside Access like you might expect. Instead, you sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, and that sign-in carries over to Microsoft Access automatically. This is how your license is recognized and how features like saving to OneDrive become available. Let's start with the most direct way, right inside Access on Windows. Open Microsoft Access on your computer. In the top left corner, select File to open the Backstage view. From the sidebar, choose Account. Here, you'll see a Sign In button. Click Sign In, enter your Microsoft email and password, and then confirm. After you're signed in, Access activates with your account, and you're ready to create and edit databases without restrictions. You'll typically see your account listed on the Account page, which is a quick way to confirm you're signed in. If you already have another Office app open, there's an equally simple route that works across the suite. Open any Office app, like Word or Excel. Go to File, then Account, and choose Sign In. Enter the same Microsoft account you use for your subscription. Because Office apps share your sign-in on Windows, this will also sign you into Access the next time you open it. It's a handy option if Access isn't open yet, or if you prefer to manage your account from a different app. There's also the web route, which is useful if you want to confirm your credentials first. In your browser, go to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your email or phone number, then your password, and complete any security prompts. This is the same account that Access uses. Once your account is in good standing online, signing into the desktop app will be seamless. Why does signing in matter? It activates your Microsoft Access license so the app isn't stuck in a limited or read-only state. It enables you to create and edit databases and unlocks connections to cloud services like OneDrive, which is essential for saving, syncing, and sharing files. Without a valid sign-in, you may be able to open a database but not make changes. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure you use the Microsoft 365 account that actually has the Access license, whether that's a work, school, or personal subscription. Keep an internet connection during the first sign-in so activation can complete. And if you're prompted for additional verification, just follow the on-screen steps. That's it. Once you're signed in, Access is fully ready to use.